Okay, my oil light's on. And my engine's just warmed up. I guess about 5 minutes ago it was cold. But it's not quite up to operating temperature. As you can see over here, well, I drove it before. But it's been coming on like this for a couple of weeks. So somebody told me it's the oil pressure light or the oil pressure switch. I went out and bought this part right here from AutoZone. And I'm going to install it and see if that will fix the issue. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, this is it right here. And it looks like it's got some Teflon or something like that on the threads. This is it right here. And it takes a 21mm socket, deep socket, in order to get it off. And I think I got it here in my pocket here. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay, yeah, it takes a 21mm or a 13/16 deep socket, okay, in order to get it off. So thought I'd just throw that out there for you. Okay, it should fit like, let's see if I can see this or not. Should fit just like that. It'll fit right up in there. So I'm gonna change the part out and see what it'll do. So yeah, it's a 21mm. Okay, my engine is cooled down and it goes back here behind the air cleaner. Here by my transmission dipstick, so I got to pull all this off right here to get to it. So let me go ahead and pull that off. Okay, here it is down here. It's right behind that hose right there to my left, right there with the clamp on it. I got to clean it off, but that's where it goes. So that's a better view of it from right there. So I'm going to clean it off and change it out right there. Okay, here's the old one. And it looks like it's pretty dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and put this other one in. I'll tell you, this is probably 20 years old. So okay, I got it in there. Kind of loud in the background. You can barely see it down there. But here's the lead that goes on it right there with the flashlight. I'm tapping on it with the flashlight. But you can see it back there in the back. So go ahead and hook it up. So I'll go ahead and just hook this up and start it up and give it a try. Okay, I've changed out my oil pressure switch. So I'm going to start up my car and see if it's fixed. So it looks like the light has gone out. but it usually doesn't come on until my engine gets warm, so I'm going to drive it for a little while. And I might wait and see if it's going to come back on. I might wait maybe and see what it's going to do. But I'll give you an update. Okay, well, I've been driving for about an hour and I haven't seen no light come back on the dash. So I'm going to say that it's fixed.